welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a little Sunday reset because my house looks a mess. I just need to regroup my life. I have to go downtown to my office, shoot some content. I still gotta do some stuff, some little bit of stuff, but we gonna start with this house because look, yeah. So y'all, don't talk about my bed. I know it don't match, but so these are from UGG. These pillowcases are from UGG, and the UGG comforter that goes with this, y'all, is so freaking hot. I had to take it off. So don't judge my bed. It is what it is. We're not even about to talk about these clothes, like, bro. These are all new clothes, y'all. I have to fold. I freaking hate laundry. Vacuum in between my couches, but I already did in between my couches, so we just about to hit this flow. And yeah. It feels good outside, and I got this hot jacket on. Like, it's so cold. I'm burning up. Like, my boyfriend was like, you're cleaning in a whole outfit, in a whole jacket. Like, you're gonna be hot. I know. I have to go to my office really quick, and then I also have to go to this other place to shoot some content. So like I was saying before my boyfriend rudely interrupted me for a call. It's okay, that's Beto. What I was saying was, dang, what was I saying? I gotta go to the office to do some content. I gotta go to the office, then I gotta go to somewhere else to do some content, and then I don't know, I'll get my son back later today. We're probably just gonna chill. Gotta do a little stuff for my work, trying to figure some stuff out. But honestly, it's just gonna be a really chill day for the most part. Just trying to get my life together bit by bit, because life is life, but we ain't gonna talk about that one. We gonna talk about this good Sunday that we having. So yeah, cleaned up a little bit. When I go back, I gotta really finish cleaning up. I just touched up a little bit so I could leave, but I still have to hit like the bathroom, the kitchen. I gotta clean my sunroom. I gotta fold my laundry. So I really just did a little cleanup until I got back. But yeah, friends, that's what it is. So this is where I'm doing my content. It's really quiet in here, so I'm whispering, but I want to get some good shots in by the computer and stuff like that. I took my pictures here before, so yeah, let's get it. So I did my content. I wish I could show y'all. Actually like me doing it, but I only have my phone right now. So this is a sign to like, comment, and subscribe so I can get a new camera. No, but I am about to get a new camera anyway though, but still like, comment, and subscribe. But I just did some like, you know, some sit down shots, some on my computer shots, because like literally what I do is like digital marketing. So I always want to show people like on my phone, on my iPad, things like that. And I like this place because it's calm and it's aesthetically pleasing. But between me and you, I had to sneak in here, so I hope I'm not trespassing. I ain't really had to sneak in here, but I had to wait until somebody unlocked the door with their keypad, because I don't live here. This is like a apartment complex. But I took my pictures, my business pictures here too before, and I loved it, so I came back. Oh well, what they gonna do? Anyway, so I'm about to head back home though, and I'm hungry. I didn't even eat nothing. I'm trying to find some food, and then yeah. Bro, that TikTok song is in my head. It's not even a TikTok song, it's a gospel song, but that long as I got King Jesus. That was so good. It'd be so funny, like, when you be like recording yourself and somebody watch you, be weird. Like, I'm doing this for the fans, for my little 800 subscribers. But yeah, y'all, I hope y'all can hear me because it's windy, but back to the crib, cause you know that I wanna. One thing about me in the wintertime, baby, these lips be dry. And I be putting on lip gloss and chapstick like this too. This Vaseline, but nothing seems to do the trick. Carmex don't work. That should dry your lips out. But yeah, y'all, I know they say like Gemini is nosy and stuff. But listen, these people, right? I peeped something. These people meeting up in the back of the apartment complex, these two Amazon workers, and the girl had got in the car and said, "Oh my God, I missed you." Da, da, da. But it was giving me like cheating vibes. Like, y'all not even supposed to be linking right now. Y'all probably both got boyfriends or girlfriends. I don't know. I'm being too nosy. I don't know their situation, but it just was looking a little sketchy. I don't know. Maybe mind my business though. I need to go get some coffee, bro. Honestly, I don't know how I did all of this without eating. Did y'all see me eat in this vlog? No. Like, what is up with me? I'm tripping. I'm so hungry. I'm hungry as hell. And my problem is I never know what I want to eat. Like, I think coffee is just a meal, and it's not. But long, cause I got King Jesus. Yeah, y'all, I'm about to head back to the crib, give me something to eat or something. Stop.
If I was telling give me a coffee for me.
The code for the free medium fry, and it was McChicken without.
Yeah, so it's 2 McChickens with cheese and ketchup.
With cheese, okay, that's what I was trying to remember.
Yeah.
Add cheese.
And ketchup.
Okay. Add ketchup. To both, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Add cheese. Anything else?
Just cheese and ketchup though. No lettuce on it. Just those.
No lettuce?
Yeah, just I want it with just ketchup and cheese.
All right, we got 2 McChickens, add ketchup and cheese, no shredded lettuce on both.
Yeah.
What about the mayonnaise?
No, just ketchup and cheese. That's it.
Okay, come on.
might be new.
Huh?
She might be new.
Might be.
Welcome to my life. Thank you. She is interesting. Look at my sauce.
You going there?
No. What you want me to do?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So y'all, I had to hit y'all with the Keith Lee pause because why do I pick my lashes like this? Now I look crazy, y'all. Don't judge me. Yeah, back to the video. My phone storage ran out, but my boyfriend bought me a coffee. We was at Wawa, and now I'm trying to watch Sisters. I've been trying to watch Sisters forever. Like, why isn't it on the BET app? I'm over here stressing because I want to watch Sisters and I can't watch Sisters, but it's really dark in my house. And I'm just chilling now, trying to watch some Sisters, but it ain't on. Sisters just didn't happen for me. I don't know why I can't watch Sisters, but my boyfriend lost his phone, ain't gonna call and try to tell me I'm not looking for it. How when somebody don't find their stuff, you the problem. Then he just called me talking about he found it. You know what? I can't. So y'all, I ain't doing nothing. It's like, I want to say like 6 o'clock, 6 something. And I'm just sitting here chilling, being passenger princess. And just cooling out, you know. Waiting for my baby to get back. Zayden's coming back soon. I miss him. And honestly, y'all, that's pretty much my day. Your girl is getting tired. Baby, he ain't even taking his coat off. Look who's home.
I watch.
Oh, watch. You ain't even take your coat off. Talking about what you want to watch.
What's that? What you doing?